Hey everybody, it's me, Quills Glory. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm doing a neutral eye look, so stick around and I hope you all enjoy. The first product I'll be using is the Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel by Clinique. I absolutely love this product and I love how it makes my skin feel. I like to go in with a concealer first to cover up any dark spots or blemishes I may have before putting on my foundation and getting started with my makeup look. So right here, you'll see me going in with an eyebrow archer. I am basically cleaning up my eyebrows. Before I start my eyebrows, I like to make sure the hairs are out of the way. I've brushed them up pretty good with my spoolie. And then I go in with my tried and true, my favorite eyebrow pencil, which is by the brand Jordana. And I use the color dark brown. When concealing my eyebrows, I used 3 concealers. I wanted a nice thick concealer to conceal my eyebrows because it's been a little while since I had a wax, so I want it to be pretty much seamless. So I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, and I also used my e.l.f. concealer in the color Deep Olive, and I also went back into the Ardell and I used that as well to conceal my eyebrows and also to conceal my eyelids. So the foundation I'll be using is my favorite. This is the Revlon Colorstay in the color 410 Cappuccino. I absolutely love this foundation. This is a drugstore foundation. I have to say, this is the best foundation I have ever used. I've used others for years and nothing compares to this. It's a nice brown color. It gives you a nice matte dewy look when you're done with your foundation, and that's exactly what I love. I'm not too orange, I'm not too dark. It's the perfect color and consistency foundation that I absolutely love. So right here, you'll see me going back into my eyebrows with a brush. I like to brush up my eyebrows really nicely. I like giving my eyebrows a nice fade at the beginning of the brow. It just makes them look more natural and cleaner. So for my eyeshadow look, I'm using my Beauty Treats palette. I absolutely love these palettes. The colors I'm using are a dark and a lighter brown. This palette actually does not have a name to it, but it's more like a matte palette. So if you're ever in Ross or Burlington, look for their palettes because I guarantee you will love them. So right here, I'm going in with a liquid liner. This is in the color Jet Black by Colormates. So next I'm going to go ahead and start with my blush. I'm using the Beauty Treats palette. This is called the Matte Blush Palette. I absolutely love this palette as well. Here you see me going to like a nudie pinkish color blush. So to give my cheeks a little bronzer, I'm going in with my favorite, the Full Spectrum by CoverGirl in the color Ebony. So now I'm using this rich brown color in my BEBE palette. I actually purchased this from Burlington. I absolutely love looking through their palettes. They have beautiful blush and bronzing palettes. So if you're ever there, definitely pick one up. And you can also use these for eyeshadows. If you love nude eyeshadow looks, these palettes are perfect because they give you large pan sizes for their shadows. So next up, you'll see me doing some highlighting. I absolutely love the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers. This is in the color Warm Honey. I'm just going to place this under my eyes, also my forehead, and on my chin. And then we're going to blend that out for a nice highlighted look. So next up, we're going to go ahead and start with our lashes. I'll be using the 3D I Envy 3D collection. This is in the style KPEI114. I absolutely love these lashes. They're lightweight, they give you volume, and they're multi-angle. So before I apply any eyelash, I always like to use a mascara. This is also the Full Spectrum in black. I love to give my lashes a base to sit on. So if your lashes are already hard from the mascara, this will lay your lashes perfectly on top. It's just an easier way to apply the lashes to me. So once I look at my look, I like to see what else I could add if it needs something more, and I wanted to go ahead and just add a jet black eyeliner pencil to the bottom lid just to give it a little bit more color. So right here, I'm using a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is by the brand BEBE from Dollar General. This is in the color Honey Blush. I absolutely love the way this looks on my lips. It gives me a nice matte color. When I tell you the color does not move or change, it stays on your lips until you literally have to wipe it off. I got several colors when I went to the Dollar General store, so definitely check out your local Dollar General for all of their makeup products. I believe this is a new brand because I've never seen this brand before in the store. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all like this look. I love it. So don't forget to be pretty, make yourself up, you know, put on some lashes, a little liner, and just get pretty. Even though you're sitting around the house, there's not much to do quite yet, just take care of you. I honestly feel like makeup for me is like therapy. It's like self-care. When I do my makeup, I'm in my own zone. I turn on my music, I light my candles, and just get beautiful, you know? So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed this. I will have more to come.